Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the light switch in an Amana refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife and a flathead screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new light switch. This light switch is mounted on the right side of the cabinet inside the fresh food compartment. It turns on the lights inside the compartment when the door opens. If there's no lights in the refrigerator when the door is opened, or the light stays on when the door is closed, causing the compartment temperature to be warmer than normal, check the light switch and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. This is the light switch that we're going to replace, and for that we're going to use the putty knife and the flathead screwdriver. There is a locking tab at the bottom here inside, and we're going to use the putty knife. I'm going to slide it in, press that locking tab in, and start pulling that switch out. I'm going to help with the flathead screwdriver to pry it out, and now we can grab it with fingers and pull it out. We're going to swivel it this way and then slowly pull it out. Don't pull it hard because there are wires here, and we can accidentally pull off this terminal. And now we're going to use the flathead screwdriver and we're going to remove these terminals. Careful, don't allow them to disappear. This is the old light switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to start the installation with connecting that two wires. The order is not important. Put it in, turn it this way. Then I'm going to feed the wires back in into this opening. I'm going to slide the switch top first, and then I'm going to press it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.